Welcome to the Global Business Talk Show. I am Jeanette Saint-Fleur, your host. I'm happy to be here with our partners, Thanks to Sync TV, and we are at the Miami Dade College downtown campus. I think this is the most awesome and beautiful room in the building. We are in the green room, and I'm very excited to have a small talk with Mr. Jose SOTO. Those of you who know me, we always talk about business, and you probably don't know that I am a gamer, a movie buff. And since we're always talking about business, tell us a little about the gaming room.
Right now, welcome to Magic. The gaming room that we have here is primarily a motion capture room where we prepare students to use the highest end and most up-to-date software and technology for animation and game development. We've been open since 2015 and we're preparing students every single year with the cutting edge of technology in the entertainment industry.
Perfect. So I'm a business owner. Why would I know or want to know about all this?
Well, the important thing is that entertainment and animation are always developing and changing. They're always growing and they're always developing into new and enticing and experimental things. You'd want to, in your own words, learn about it because that way you'd be able to develop your skills as an animator, a creator, a designer, or a gamer or a processor to create the best possible artwork for the animation industry or the entertainment industry, especially now because it's growing as much as it can possibly.
Let's think about somebody who just wrote a book. Do they need an animated video in order for them to capture their audience to make them feel like, I want to be there, I want to be part of this program?
Well, it always helps to develop a story visually. I think that in animation and in film, an artistic background really helps explore the different possibilities for, let's say, a book or a game or a cartoon, what have you. So all of these things could really, really help for artists, creators, and developers of all backgrounds.
We always think that gaming is only for kids. Mr. SOTO here is a center manager. Tell us what a student learns when he comes here.
They learn to take it very seriously. I can say that cartoons are serious business, and that's not even a joke. Everyone here is a professional, and we learn that it's a craft, it's a skill, it's a trade, and that it's important to work hard for what you want to be, right? It takes an army to make a cartoon or a game, and so a lot of students come here and they end up learning that there's a specific role they're really good at or a specific skill that they want to grow and branch out in, and it's something that's really, really common where it's something that we take seriously.
In this green room, Avatar, Transformers, Matrix, Wolverine? This is the machine that I like.
It looks very cool, yeah, absolutely.
Can we shoot a movie here?
We could probably try, yeah.
Tell us more about the program that we don't know.
So the program, like I said, has been open since 2015, and what we do is prepare students in the course of 2 years to develop skills and what they are particularly best at, or at least have an interest in, whether it's in designing characters, writing stories, or making and designing games. In that program, they're learning how to work in either 2D or 3D, either in Photoshop, which is an illustration software, or in Toon Boom for animating, or Maya, which is done for 3D software, 3D animations. Alternatively, we also use cutting-edge game development software like Unity and Unreal Engine, both used to make some of the biggest games right now in the world. And in that first year, they're just learning the basics, right? But in the second year, they actually learn how to work together in a group project that they do with a mentor in the industry. We've had partners such as Nickelodeon, Univision, Telemundo, Bungie, Wizards of the Coast, the works, right? So we work with top-of-the-line people every single year to try and get students real-world experience so they can jump out there and get a job almost immediately.
It's like I'm in the room. He was reading my mind because the next question would have been about our partners. Now, do you have stackable? Because you spoke about the program being 2 years. Somebody like me who wants to come here for 3 months, 6 months, do you have anything?
We also do have a certificate program where students can come in and learn about VR, AR, or other cutting-edge technologies. VR is virtual reality, where we simulate an environment in a 3D space, usually worn with a glasses or goggles, helmet or device, so that you can immerse the player or recipient in this world. We prepare students into developing software, games, simulations for those experiences. Alternatively, we also have AR, which is augmented reality, where you simulate a world on top of our world or elements on top of our world, right? So if you ever play Pokemon Go, right? It's that game that came on the phone a few years ago where you can play with Pokemon, a made-up cartoon in real life through your phone, right? So that's an example of what we can teach you how to do here.
Perfect, perfect. Any last words? Shout out to anybody?
Shout out to any artists who are looking to explore their craft, to really improve, take something seriously, and take that first major step into animation or game development.
Would you schedule any tool for a group?
Absolutely. Anytime anyone wants to come in, ask questions, reach out to other artists or ask questions about how it's like to work in magic or how to join or develop, they totally can.
Perfect. Maybe you'll be the next gamer.